In order to make chaffles, you will need to gather the following: 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, I use full-fat mozzarella, cooking spray, a large spoon and a cup for mixing, and a 4-inch mini waffle maker. In a cup, add the large egg and a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Then mix together very well using the spoon. Next, coat the hot waffle maker with cooking spray and spoon on half of the egg cheese mixture. Close the lid and cook for 4 minutes. If you want it less crispy, then adjust down to the desired time. Once finished, remove the chaffle and repeat this method for the rest of the mixture. Eat it plain or use it in the place of bread for sandwiches.